Greetings today. My name is Anjali Pal. I am the student of MA English semester 1 at Kanya Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar. Today I will discuss a topic about Aristotle's term and then relate those terms with a recent incident to see whether that incident is a tragedy or not. Tragedy is a form of trauma. It focuses on human suffering and typically features a noble protagonist who faces downfall due to the combination of fate and a personal flaw. The goal of tragedy is to evoke emotions of pity and fear in the audience. First, catharsis. Catharsis refers to the emotional release or purification that the audience experiences through pity and fear while watching a tragedy. Next, hamartia. This term refers to a character's flaw or an error of judgment which leads to their downfall. Peripeteia is a sudden reversal of fortune in the tragedy, where the protagonist's circumstances shift dramatically from the good to bad, usually as a result of their hamartia. Anagnosis. This is the moment of recognition in the tragedy when the protagonist gains crucial insight or understanding, typically about their own identity or the true nature of their situation. This often occurs alongside peripeteia. This is the incident that happened in July 27, 2024, which three UPSC aspirants were died in the basement of coaching center. Nevin is a protagonist of this tragedy because he perfectly fit in the concept of tragedy.
Nevin Delvin was a 28-year-old IS aspirant from Kerala's Ernakulam and was pursuing a PhD in visual arts from JNU. Nevin's father is a retired deputy superintendent of police and his mother is a professor at Sri Shankaracharya University of Sanskrit in Kaladi.
Quick. अरे जल्दी आ जाओ ऊपर कोई नीचे रहा तो नहीं
She said that हम सब भाग रहे थे and Nevin was trying to save us. वो सबको बचा रहा था.
So he died saving lives.
Exactly. He died saving lives and I can imagine him saving them. I can imagine him being there. He didn't have that accountability. उसको कोई responsibility नहीं थी उसके सर पर. वो चाहता तो आराम से निकल सकता था क्योंकि बच्चे निकले हैं. But he was the last one who was rescued, to my knowledge.
Yeah.
He was the last one.
Yeah.
And there is a reason that he was the last one.
He stayed back to save others.
He stayed back to save others. He pushed everyone to go outside and he died as a hero.
पीएससी की प्रिपरेशन हम साथ में करते थे। आज हमें पता चला फोटो देख के कि मेलविन नहीं रहा। बहुत इंटेलिजेंट, स्मार्ट, वर्सेटाइल पर्सनालिटी होती है। एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में भी बहुत एक्टिव था। कल उसका फ़ोन नहीं लग रहा था तो हमने फ़ोन ट्राई किया, मैसेज किया बट रिप्लाई नहीं आया। मैं चाय के लिए फ़ोन किया उसको बट वो उठाया नहीं। इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी बोलता था कि ऐसे लगता था कोई मतलब बाहर का लड़का बोल रहा है।
तो वैसे हमें मतलब बहुत दुख लगा। बच्चे लोग तो जाते हमारे गाड़ी घोड़ा से, इसलिए हम देखने।
अरे रोइए नहीं अम्मा।
बच्चे किसी का भी बच्चे से तो वो लगता, बच्चे तो अपनी ज़िंदगी के पढ़ा लिखा के लिए आए, मगर बच्चे के साथ घटना हुआ ये कहीं कोई कुछ सुनता थोड़ी ना।
तो आपको बहुत बुरा लगेगा जब आपके माता पिता सुबह फ़ोन करके ये नहीं जानना चाहेंगे कि नाश्ता किया कि नहीं, ये जानना चाहेंगे कि बेटा जिंदा है। बहुत बुरा लगता है, अंदर से खराब लगता है। और हर बच्चे को आ रहा है वो कॉल, बस मुझे नहीं आया, हर बच्चे को आ रहा है बस चेक करने के लिए कि मेरा बच्चा तो उस लाइब्रेरी में नहीं था कल।
माँ बाप सुबह 6 बजे से कॉल आ रहा है घर से, 2 बार नहीं उठा पाए। बोला जा रहा है पापा कि तुम ठीक हो ना, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं।
बार अगर कॉल नहीं उठती होगी एक बार में तो परेशान हो जाते हैं।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल होना ही परेशान। दोस्त लोग के पास कॉल कर रहे हैं, हमारे पास तो कॉल कर ही रहे हैं दोस्त लोग के पास कि वो ठीक है।
Reason behind the basement getting flooded, what is the report that you're getting?
So basically this old Rajendra Nagar Nala, it is infamous for getting flooded every year. Every year, even in top coaching classes here, they have said that water used to seep every monsoon. It's just that this This time around, it was so high that it took 3 lives. But every year, it used to be half a foot high, 1 foot high, inside the basements, while the classes were going on. So teachers were actually instructed to keep teaching the class while the water has seeped into the basements. So it is an issue which has been going on for years. Old Rajendra Nagar Nala problem, this has been going on for years.
पर ये पानी वाली जो प्रॉब्लम थी, ये होती थी हमेशा. एंड
और ये पहली बार ये नहीं हो रहा था कि पानी बेसमेंट में आ रहा था.
नहीं, पहली बार वो नहीं हो रहा था, ये सालों साल से होता आ रहा है.
एंड दैट मेक्स इट इवन वर्स
क्योंकि उस पर्टिकुलर वीक में भी पानी भरा था. 1 महीना पहले जब बारिश शुरू हुई है
जी,
तब भी पानी भरा था
जी,
गेट चेंज हुआ था, उतने लेवल का पानी नहीं भरा था. एंड अगेन से दैट, पर पानी गया था अंदर.
तो एक वार्निंग मिल गई.
एक
So friends, this was Nevin's story, who was an UPSC aspirant and was a PhD scholar too. His readiness to help others in the face of danger, selflessly even at the cost of his own life, is so heart-wrenching. I believe that he is a real tragic hero. In Greek tragedy, the protagonist used to be a royal figure, but in modern times, a common man can be a tragic hero if he struggles hard to rise above his obstacles and change his condition, even if this struggle ends his life. Almost all the terms of Aristotle can be traced in Nevin's story. Hence we can say that this man with noble heart, a tragic hero.